Hi guys, in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily change your native language on Duolingo. It is quite simple and easy. But before starting the video, make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make any mistake, and make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel. So let's get started. So first of all, open Duolingo application. Now tap on flag icon at top left corner of your screen. Now simply tap on plus button. Now you'll be able to see different languages. Now scroll down and find languages that you already know and understand. You can tap on this button to see more. Tap and select a language that you can read and understand. Now tap on continue. Tap on blue button to confirm it. That's how you can easily change your native language on Duolingo. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.